welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys my Target haul. It was pretty much all Ibotta deals. It was awesome. I spent not very much because I rolled my gift cards, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Hopefully you guys can do this deal. Now, I had a couple things in mind, and then what I ended up doing is I went through Ibotta to see what deals they had, and then I went through Cartwheel to see what other deals they had. So while I was in the store, I was trying to figure out, like, what could I get to equal $50, because they have that food deal where if you spend $50, you get a $10 gift card. Well, I did everything. I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Yeah, like it's like all crazy right here. So, I'm going to do the breakdowns with you guys, and then at the very end of the video, I'm going to do the breakdowns for the spend 50, get $10 back, and I will probably have it written either in the video or the description below, the whole breakdown. I'll probably have it in the description below for the whole breakdown for you guys, because it's just too much to write on a video. But I'm going to show you guys all the individual deals, and then I'll explain the breakdown to you, but then I will have it written down because it's crazy. It's a lot to remember. So, what I ended up getting is I got this Kevita sparkling probiotic drink, and then I also got the Kevita brew. These are $2.99. There's a 25-cent deal off of, or 25% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys would pay $2.24 for this, but then you guys will end up getting $1.15 back with Ibotta. That's two different rebates, coming out to be $1.09 a piece, which could be an okay deal if you guys enjoy that. I ended up getting the Suja Kombucha drink. Now, some of you guys might have the Suja juice also on your Ibotta. I used mine up, so I'm getting the Suja Kombucha. So this was $2.99. There is a 35% deal on Cartwheel. Plus, I had that $1 off coupon that I got from the Grocery Network website. So I paid $1.24 for this, but then you guys would submit a receipt for 25 cents on Ibotta, making this just 99 cents. So could not go wrong with that. I got a lot of drinks. A lot of drinks because that was like the best deal to do. I ended up getting another Suave Kids strawberry shampoo. I love this stuff. So this is $1.88. I used that $1 off coupon that we got, making this just 88 cents. So if you guys really want to stock up on kid stuff, that's a great deal for that. I ended up getting the red wines, licorice. So these are $1. You guys would pay $1 for it. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 50 cents. So could not pass that up. The Sour Punch are $1. There is a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys would just pay 80 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 55-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 35 cents. Yeah. The next deal I got so much stuff, you guys. I did Splenda. This is $3.49 at my store. You guys, we just received those $3 off coupons yesterday or in the Sunday's paper. So you guys would just pay 49 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate, and there is a limit of 2, making these a where did I write it? A 51-cent moneymaker times 2. So that's $1.02 that you guys will get for a moneymaker. So that is awesome. I ended up doing the Canada Dry Ginger Ale and Lemonade. It's made with real ginger and real juice. So, these were 5 for $5. On the tag it says if you buy one it's $1.25. I went and scanned the item. It says it's $1.25. So, I had to buy 5, which was fine because it really worked out in my favor. So, these were $1. There is a 25% deal on Cartwheel, so you guys would just pay 75 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just a quarter. And the Ibotta rebate is a limit of 5, so I got all 5 of these for a quarter. So that is awesome. There's 3 more right here. Then I also got the 12-pack of the the Canada Dry. That was $4.99. There is a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys would end up paying $3.74 for that, but then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making that $2.49. But since you guys buy both of these together, you will get a $1 bonus, so we're going to factor that in. So this only costs $1.49, which is a great, great deal. I ended up getting the Snapple. Now this was on sale for $1.66. You guys would pay $1.66 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 91 cents. So yeah. I did the Mountain Dew KickStart drink. These were at my store $1.49. There's a 40% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys would end up paying $1.79 for both of these. But then you guys can submit a 75 cents off a 2 rebate, making it just $1.03 for the both of those. So I like that deal. I ended up getting this Covergirl Brow. Now these were $3.99 at my store. There's a 25% off Cartwheel. Plus I used that $6 off a 2 coupon because those expire this week and I wanted to use those up. So that would automatically make these free. The coupon adjusts to $5.98. So these would be for free. Yeah, I ended up getting this Brownie Brittle. Now, these are $3.49. There's a 25% off deal on Cartwheel. Now, on my Ibotta deal, I had to buy 5 of them, or 4 of them to get, I have the 4th bag. I had to buy 4 of them to get the Ibotta deal. So, you guys would end up paying $10.47 for the 4 of these, but then you guys get a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this just $5.47. So that's a pretty decent deal. And then I got 3 of these. I got the 6-pack minis of the Diet Pepsi. The other one I left upstairs because one can came off of it, but I just didn't want to bring it downstairs. So these are regular price $2.99. There is a 50% off deal on Cartwheel. So you guys would end up paying $1.49 for a 6-pack, which is a pretty good deal. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. And you can do that deal, I think, up to 5 times, I think. So my store only had 3, so I took all 3. So you guys would end up paying each one of these. You guys would pay 99 cents for a 6-pack, which is a great deal. So I got 3 of those. So that was my haul. I think so. Yeah. So that was my haul. Everything for the breakdown. Now here is where I'm going to let you guys know what I bought. So all 4 Canada Dries, I bought those. The Snapple, the 4 Sheilas, the 12-pack of Canada Dry, the 2 Mountain Dew KickStarts, and the 3 packs of Pepsi, plus the 2 Splendas, and then the 3 Kombucha Kevita drinks. Those all were included in the spend 50. Okay, so for that breakdown, if everything before coupons and before Cartwheel, it came to $53.51. After Cartwheel, and so what you guys want to have them do is scan that coupon first that's in the ad or the text or whatever. Have them scan that first so it'll automatically generate a $10 gift card. So then you got that. You guys will actually pay $32.58. If you guys don't want to do one of the Splendas, you don't have to, or you can take like one of these out. It's up to you guys what you want to do. I was over a little bit, which isn't a big deal. But you guys would pay $32.58. You'd get that $10 gift card. Plus, you guys would get $16.30 back with Ibotta. And that comes out to be just $6.28 for 21 items. That's 30 cents a piece. I got all of this for 21 items. So that is awesome. I kind of just did this while I was at the store. So I will write down the breakdown for you. So you guys got that going on. But my grand total came to $35.74 is what I paid for everything. I received that $10 gift card. I also received $17.10 from Ibotta. I got $5 back for one of the bonuses that is going on right now, and then I also got a $2 bonus that is going on right now through Ibotta, and I think that ends tonight. Plus, I got that $1 bonus for buying the 2 different Canada Dries. So everything came out to be 64 cents. I got 26 items for 64 cents. That is awesome. Basically, everything came out to be 2 cents a piece. So that is awesome. I was just like, I was debating, I was going to do the spend 50, and then I'm like, no, I don't want to. And then I'm like, you know what, I'm already getting a lot of these deals, so I'm like, why not? Why not? So I just added a couple things while I was shopping in the store, but I think I did okay. My whole table is just full of stuff, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. But you guys know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys love these Ibotta hauls. A lot of you guys are telling me you've hit levels that you never hit before. That is awesome. As long as you guys can keep continuing rolling your gift cards, which basically is you guys buy a gift card or you redeem a gift card on your Ibotta app. Then what you do is you pay for that at the store, and then you get that money back by buying Ibotta items. So there is that for you guys. But if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, I would love to hear about it. I'm here to help you guys. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.